Imagine you have found a new car insurance policy that perfectly suits your needs, or perhaps you have just sold your old vehicle. As you move forward, there is one crucial step to ensure a smooth transition and complete peace of mind. To get written confirmation for your car insurance cancellation, you should proactively request it from your insurance provider immediately after you initiate the cancellation process. This step is incredibly important for your protection and for maintaining continuous coverage. The reason this written proof is so vital is that it serves as your official record. It confirms the exact date and time your coverage ends, preventing any misunderstandings or disputes about your insurance status. Without this documentation, you could potentially face issues like unexpected bills, penalties for lapses in coverage, or even difficulties registering a new vehicle. So how do you make sure you get this important document? Start by contacting your insurance company through their official channels, whether it is by phone, their online portal, or by sending a letter. During this communication, clearly state your intent to cancel your policy and explicitly request a written confirmation of the cancellation. If you are speaking on the phone, kindly ask the representative to send you an email or a letter confirming the cancellation details, including the effective date. If you are using an online portal, look for an option to receive electronic confirmation. When sending a letter, consider sending it certified mail with a return receipt requested, which gives you proof that your cancellation request was received. After making your request, patiently wait for a reasonable period, usually 7 to 10 business days, for the confirmation to arrive. Once you receive it, carefully review all the details. Check that your name, policy number, and the correct cancellation date are all accurately stated. This date is especially important as it determines when your responsibility for the old policy officially ends. If you do not receive the confirmation within the expected timeframe, do not hesitate to follow up with your insurance provider. Keep a record of all your communications, including dates, times, and the names of any representatives you spoke with. This diligence will ensure you have a clear paper trail, solidifying your cancellation and protecting you from any future complications. Obtaining this written confirmation is a simple yet powerful step. It protects your financial well-being, ensures compliance with state regulations regarding continuous coverage, and provides you with irrefutable proof that your old policy is indeed closed. This small effort provides significant peace of mind as you move on to your next chapter.